Russia has officially launched its latest nuclear-powered submarine called Khabarovsk. This submarine is designed to carry the Poseidon nuclear drone, a weapon that some analysts describe as a doomsday missile. Reports claim it could destroy entire coastal regions through underwater nuclear explosions. The launch ceremony took place at the Sevmash shipyard in Severodvinsk. It was attended by Russian Defense Minister Andrei Belousov, Navy Chief Admiral Alexander Moiseev, and senior officials from the shipbuilding sector. Belousov said, "Today marks a significant event for us. The heavy nuclear-powered missile cruiser Khabarovsk is being launched from the stern of the renowned Sevmash. Sevmash, notably, is the same facility that once refitted India's aircraft carrier INS Vikramaditya. The Khabarovsk represents a new phase in Russia's underwater weapons program, one that merges nuclear propulsion, automation, and extreme-range deterrence. The Khabarovsk submarine was designed by the Rubin Design Bureau for Marine Engineering, the same institution responsible for many of Russia's strategic submarines. Development of this class repeatedly began in the early 2010s, with the submarine intended as a dedicated carrier for the Poseidon underwater drones. While Russia has not disclosed exact figures, analysts suggest that it could carry up to 6 Poseidon drones at a time. The Khabarovsk is part of the Project 09851 class, which evolved from the Burevestnik-class nuclear submarines, the same design used for Russia's Bulava ballistic missile subs. However, instead of ballistic missiles, Khabarovsk has been adapted for robotic and autonomous underwater systems. The design focus has been on endurance, stealth, and the ability to operate independently in deep ocean environments for extended periods. Though official specifications remain classified, open-source military data estimates that Khabarovsk is about 120 meters long and displaces between 10,000 and 12,000 tons. It reputedly has a crew of around 100 personnel. The submarine's nuclear propulsion allows it to remain submerged almost indefinitely, limited only by food and crew endurance. The Poseidon drones it carries are powered by miniature nuclear reactors. These drones can travel thousands of kilometers underwater at high speeds and at depths greater than most submarines can operate. The Poseidon drone was successfully tested just a week before the submarine's launch. It is designed for strategic deterrence, meaning it could act as a second strike weapon if Russia is attacked. The Poseidon is reported to operate autonomously, travel intercontinental distances, move at speeds exceeding modern torpedoes, and operate at extreme ocean depths, making it nearly impossible to track or intercept. President Vladimir Putin confirmed that Poseidon uses a nuclear propulsion system 100 times smaller than the reactor of a strategic submarine. Former Russian President Dmitry Medvedev called it a doomsday missile, while Andrei Kartapolov, head of the Duma Defense Committee, claimed it could wipe out entire coastal nations. Analysts believe the weapon is designed to create large-scale radioactive tsunamis, rendering coastal cities uninhabitable. The launch of Khabarovsk has drawn international attention, especially from the United States and NATO. Currently, no lone defense system can intercept an underwater nuclear drone like Poseidon. Traditional missile defenses, including anti-ballistic shields, satellites, and radar, are built to detect missiles in the air, not deep underwater. This makes Poseidon a unique challenge for global defense strategies. If deployed, it could travel silently beneath the ocean and strike coastal targets from unexpected directions. Experts also point out that such weapons mark a shift in nuclear deterrent strategy, moving from land-based and airborne systems to autonomous undersea platforms. While Russia presents this as a defensive measure to protect its maritime borders and national interests, the weapon's destructive potential raises significant questions about future arms control treaties. The Khabarovsk is expected to begin sea trials soon, before entering active service with the Russian Navy. Once operational, it will likely serve as the main carrier for Poseidon drones, along with the previously launched Belgorod submarine.